I'm Anil Kumar, and here is a multiple choice question to understand indeterminate difference, where the Hospital's rule can be applied. We are given 5 functions whose limits as x approaches a is given to you. For f of x it is 0, for g of x it is 0, for h of x it is 1, for n of x and p of x it is infinity as x approaches a. Now the question is, which of the following limit is an indeterminate form? So when we are talking about difference, in that case, indeterminate form is infinity minus infinity, right? So if it is infinity minus infinity, we are not very sure whether the result will be positive infinity or negative infinity or in between, right? And that makes it indeterminate, right? So infinity minus infinity is what we are looking into. That is n and p relation, right? Difference of these two. So in these choices, option B is nx minus p of x for the limit x approaches a. So that is the correct answer, right? I hope that helps. We'll take a few examples where we will also see how to find limit or how to evaluate limit when we are given indeterminate difference. Thank you and all the best.